We're doing another paper craft today, and don't worry, it's an easy one. We've been making lots of paper boxes, so keeping in line with that, we decided to make something similar. So instead of a box, we decided to make a bag.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princess's Crafts.
To make the paper bags, we used colorful cardstock, scissors or a cutting tool, glue, ribbon, a hole punch, and Avery reinforcement labels, and something to put inside your bag. So before we begin making the bag, we decided what to put inside. The size of the bag depends on the size of what you're going to put inside. The bag can be taller, we just wanted it to fit the elephant. Then we decided what paper to use. We're using cardstock, so the bag is sturdier than if we'd made it out of printer paper. We also had 3 different kinds of ribbon, so we used those to choose what color cardstock we used. We settled on a nice blue paper paired with blue ribbon for this bag. This white piece of paper is the right size to hold our elephant, so we're using this paper to measure out how much of the blue cardstock we need. Since we needed more than one paper to get the right size, we tore out 2 of the same paper and glued them together. If your object is pretty small, you might not have to do this. However, having a little too much room in your bag is better than having a bag with not enough room to hold your object. We then double-checked the cardstock using the white piece of paper to make sure it was the right size now. Since the white piece of paper is the size of the base, you want it to go around the perimeter of the paper with a little extra cardstock left. After we glued the papers together, we cut off the excess cardstock. So now that the paper is the right size, we folded the cardstock in half, leaving a small strip of paper hanging over the edge, like so. Again, we're checking the size of the cardstock. Then we fold it over the edge. Next, we turn the paper and fold it over the top, like so, to make a neat rim for the bag. That way, when we make the handles for the bag, the paper doesn't tear. We then glue the folds down. Should be as wide as the white piece of paper. We then creased the edges firmly. To make the base of the bag, we took one end of the fold and lined the crease on the side to match up with the center crease, like so, to make a triangular fold. Then we creased the edges. We did the same to the other side. Then we took the edges that were sticking out and folded them towards the center, like so. We made them overlap slightly. We then glued those 2 flaps in place. Be careful not to put glue in the center. Again, we're checking to see if the base is wide enough to hold the elephant. Then, we took our paper trimmer and used it to help neatly fold the longer sides of the bag. We folded them to line up with 2 of the 3 vertices on the triangular fold. We creased them firmly. Once that was done, we picked up and opened the bag. We also made sure it could fit the elephant inside. Then, to make the base sturdier, we put the white piece of paper at the bottom of the bag. To make the handles, we started by measuring out where we'd use the hole punch, making sure to line it up with the other side of the bag too. Once we finished measuring, we used the hole punch. Then we reinforced the holes using some reinforcement stickers. You could use brads, but we just decided to use these stickers. Next, we took some ribbon and measured how long we wanted it to be. Then we strung it through the holes, making a knot on the inside of the bag to secure them. Instead of tying individual knots, it's easier to tie one knot. That way, if the hole is bigger than the knot, the ribbon still won't come out. And here is the finished paper bag. As you can see, it can easily hold the elephant and an additional gift.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!